Hi guys, today we have the Scorpius controller and a variety of motors which we'll go through. So here we go. Okay, so as you can hear, the 25k Shark is an old WAM motor, if you can hear it. But the only noise you're hearing there is actually from the worn bearing there. Okay, so next we have the 17k Mabuchi, which is a very popular motor. As you can hear, that's silent. Okay, get the bigger Mabuchi. It's also a worn motor, it's had heaps of use, but you hear a little bit of noise down low. Okay, and then we've got the King. This is a new King. It has no use at all, really. All right, it's very sweet. Okay, and then we have an old Shark that's had a lot of use. $20k Shark. It's also very sweet. Now obviously I've got 5 different types of motors here from 3 different manufacturers. You'll probably agree they are pretty popular ones. Obviously I could get some more motors. I've got some other motors at the shed, but I think that sort of proves the point that different people are getting different results. Why? I think there's more to this than the WAM. Okay, so interesting discussion. Let's have a look at other factors and figure out why. Okay, one interesting thing, if I put that motor on the bench, you would probably agree the noise is multiple times louder. If I go back to one of this horrible motor over here, sound familiar? Okay, so that sort of proves that the surrounding, I think as someone mentioned in the thread already, harmonic frequency of the shell, of the body, of the car, the thickness of the material, all sorts of factors, sound factors come into that, vibration factors, scientific factors. Just unfortunate. That's one of the disadvantages, I guess, with PWM. Have a good day. Bye.